Our today's topic is rounding numbers. Rounding numbers means expressing a number approximately. Now what is approximately? Approximately means instead of giving the exact number, we give the number which is closer to the given number. We also use it in our daily life. Example, like we bought shoes for rupees 499. Then we used to say that we have bought it for rupees 500. Or if you score 89.9% marks, then you used to say I scored 90% marks. So actually this is the rounded off number. So we round off the number in many ways. First is rounding to nearest tens. Now what is rounding to nearest tens? In nearest tens, as we see that in tens we have 0 at ones place, and 10, 20, 70, 90, 230, 580, all these are the numbers which comes in the table of 10, and all these numbers have 0 at ones place. So while rounding to nearest 10, we convert the number in such a way that it has 0 in the ones place. For example, if we have to round off 32 to nearest 10, then what we will do? The number is 32. Now 2 is at ones place and 3 is at tens place. So we have to round off to nearest 10. So we see the number at ones place. Tens place से पहले ones आता है तो हम ones place वाला number देखते हैं. If this number is less than 5, less than 5, आपने हमेशा 5 से less देखना है. If the number at ones place is less than 5, then we do rounding down. Now what is rounding down means? Means the number which is smaller than this number and comes in the table of 10. Now for rounding down, in place of 2 जो कि ones place पे है, we put a 0 and the 3 remains same. So the answer is 30. While rounding down, there is no change in the tens place. Only ones place converts into 0. And this happens only if the number at ones place is less than 5. Now second example, round off 57 to nearest 10. Now in this part, the number at ones place is 7 and the number at tens place is 5. Now this 7 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. In this case, if the number at ones place is greater than 5, then we do rounding up. Rounding up means in the table of 10, the number which comes after 57. So how do we do this? Again, the number at ones place becomes 0, and in rounding up means we have to go to the next number. 5 में हम 1 को add कर देंगे and this will become 6. In case of rounding down, there is no change in the digit at tens place, it remains same. But in rounding up, we add 1 to the number at tens place while rounding to the nearest 10. So the answer is 60. Now there is one more case. If we have to round off 75 to nearest 10. Now in this case, what is the number at ones place? It is 5. तो नंबर 5 से छोटा है ना ही नंबर 5 से बड़ा है. 5 is equal to 5. Again, if the number at ones place is 5 or greater than 5, we always do rounding up. अब राउंडिंग अप में हम टेंस प्लेस पे 1 को ऐड कर देते हैं. 5 will become 0 and 7 will become 8. So our answer is 80 because हमने जो टेंस प्लेस वाला नंबर है उसमें 1 ऐड कर दिया है. So the answer is 80.